Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best angle ruler is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for anyone involved in woodworking, crafting, or even precise DIY projects, offering unparalleled accuracy in marking and cutting angles that are crucial for creating professional-looking results. This seemingly simple device can elevate your projects from amateur to expert by ensuring perfect joints, symmetrical designs, and overall structural integrity, making it a must-have for both seasoned professionals and enthusiastic hobbyists looking to achieve flawless finishes with ease and confidence. Number 5. Mr. Penn Metal Geometry Kit, 4-piece set. Introducing the Mr. Penn Metal Geometry Kit, a comprehensive set designed for all levels. It's thoughtfully designed in the USA. This set includes 4 essential tools: an 8-inch 30-60 triangle, a 5.5-inch 45-90 triangle, a 12-inch flat ruler, and a 6-inch protractor. Crafted from pure aluminum mixed with other elements, it forms a high-strength alloy. This ensures durability and a lightweight feel. Experience precise measurements with its accurate markings, available in both inches and centimeters. Get your geometry work perfect every time. It's the perfect tool for students, architects, and engineers in schools, offices, or for homeschooling needs. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive collection of essential geometry tools for various academic and professional needs. Its durable aluminum construction ensures longevity and accuracy in measurements. If you are a student, architect, or engineer needing a reliable and complete set for precise drafting and calculations, this is an excellent choice. What people say. These are marked clearly and lightweight, but hard to bend. I got them to use with my X-Acto knives and it's a match made in heaven. These are exactly what I needed. They are thin and lightweight but don't feel flimsy. They are a matte finish which I really appreciate. Easy to read and use. Solid, even after a few weeks' use they haven't been bent up or dented. Number 4. Aluminum Alloy Woodworking Center Scribe Square. This tool allows for accurate measurement of angles, making your projects more precise. It's designed for ease of use and portability. You can easily scribe lines at both 45 and 90-degree angles. This versatility is perfect for various woodworking tasks. Finding the precise center of your materials is simple with this ruler. It helps you work more efficiently and save valuable time. Crafted from aluminum alloy, it offers excellent corrosion resistance and a well-polished surface. This ensures a better user experience. It's an excellent tool for woodworking, especially for marking centers on round shafts and discs. Both 45 and 90-degree markings are readily available. Your purchase includes one center finder measuring tool. Get ready to enhance your woodworking capabilities. What we like. This compact tool is designed for efficiently finding precise centers on various materials like wood and soft metal. Its corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy body ensures a comfortable and durable user experience. If you are a woodworker or craftsman who frequently needs to mark centers accurately and quickly, especially on round stock, this tool will significantly boost your efficiency. What people say. Keep the screws tight and this thing does its thing over and over in production. This unit is nicely made of aluminum and feels sturdy. I use it to find the center on my baseball bat billets. Number 3. Aluminum Alloy Woodworking Center Scribe Square Ruler. This tool is designed for accurate center finding on various materials. It's incredibly easy to use and portable for your convenience. You can easily mark precise 45 and 90-degree angles with this device. It's perfect for both metal and woodworking projects. Finding precise centers has never been easier. This ruler helps you increase efficiency and save valuable time on your projects. Crafted from aluminum alloy, it offers excellent corrosion resistance and a polished surface for a superior user experience. It's an excellent tool for woodworking, especially for marking centers on round shafts and discs. Both 45 and 90-degree angles are readily available. Your purchase includes one center finder measuring tool, ready to enhance your craftsmanship. What we like. Offering a larger measuring range than its smaller counterpart, this tool excels at finding precise centers and scribing 45-90-degree angles with ease. Its well-polished aluminum alloy surface provides a superior user experience. If your projects involve larger workpieces or you simply prefer a tool with a more substantial feel for marking centers and angles, this is the ideal option for woodworking tasks. What people say. Keep the screws tight and this thing does its thing over and over in production. This unit is nicely made of aluminum and feels sturdy. I use it to find the center on my baseball bat billets. Number 2. Aluminum Alloy Woodworking Square Ruler. Introducing the Aluminum Alloy Woodworking Square Ruler, your ultimate tool for precise measurements. This ruler is designed to make your woodworking projects more efficient and accurate. It offers over 10 functions, including square, protractor, and angle marking. This versatile tool can handle various needs, from parallel lines to dovetail templates. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, it ensures durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance. Unlike plastic rulers, it provides higher accuracy and a longer lifespan. Its innovative 3D design allows for easy marking of 45 and 90-degree angles without flipping. Simply slide it to get precise measurements up to 1 mm. This ruler is perfect for measuring three-dimensional items made of wood, aluminum, steel, and more. It's an essential tool for carpenters, engineers, and DIY enthusiasts. Save time and enhance your working efficiency with this multifunctional measuring ruler. It simplifies complex tasks, making your woodworking projects a breeze. What we like. This ruler is a true all-in-one solution, boasting over 10 functions including angle measurement, template creation, and positioning. Its unique 3D design allows for easy marking of angles without flipping the ruler. If you are a carpenter, installer, or engineer who values versatility and wants to consolidate multiple tools into one high-precision, durable aluminum alloy device, this is the ultimate tool for solving diverse work needs. What people say. This little gauge is a great tool for our home woodshop and is perfect for marking tricky cuts, particularly on corners and edges because of its shape. It's a very robust piece of aluminum and the various markings on the tool itself are easy to read. This is a useful and reasonably compact templating multi-tool of sorts. All of the markings are crisp and easy to read. The main tool I was interested in, the holes that let you draw lines a specific distance from an edge, seems absolutely perfect for that job. The tool itself is reasonably sturdy. It is aluminum, but a reasonable thickness and I can't make it bend or flex by hand. Number 1. Mr. Penn Carpenter Square. Introducing the Mr. Penn Carpenter Square, your essential tool for precise measurements. This durable framing square is designed for accuracy in all your projects. With its 8-inch and 12-inch legs, it provides exact inside and outside measurements. You can rely on its precision for perfect angles every time. It features clear imperial units with 1/16-inch graduations on one side and metric units with millimeter graduations on the other. Reading measurements has never been easier. The bright white markings on a black background ensure excellent visibility, even in low light conditions. This makes your work faster and more efficient. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, this ruler is built to last. Its sturdy construction resists rust, ensuring long-term reliability. Perfect for carpentry tasks like framing, roofing, and stair work. It's also great for creating layouts, patterns, and checking surface flatness. What we like. This robust framing square provides large, clear measurements in both imperial and metric units, making it ideal for detailed layouts. Its sturdy carbon steel construction is built to last and resist rust. If you are involved in carpentry, framing, roofing, or stair work and need a large, durable, and easy-to-read square for precise layout and construction tasks, this tool is indispensable. What people say. Smooth, yet hefty, accurate measurements and an excellent square will make this a go-to tool in my paper crafting and stamping arsenal. Works well and doesn't shift around during use. This Carpenter Square is durable and very accurate. The markings are clear and the overall quality feels reliable. Great functionality, strong durability. This is a framing square marked on one side in inches, graded down to 16 ths of an inch, and on the other side in centimeters, graded down to millimeters. Measurement ticks are marked on both the inside and outside edges, and 0 is spot on, at the corners. The square is strong, steel, I believe, and at least 1 mm thick. The print quality is good, and the paint seems durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.